this little thing. So I said, I said I'd do a room tour, so you know, why not? Okay, so what we have got here, right, I'm gonna have to figure out. We've got a little couch here. Yeah, that's when I was a lot younger, maybe like 3 years old. Sorry, the angle is so weird. Then we've got then I have my TV. I'm trying to stop it. Then I've got my little mirror. Say hello. As you guys can see, I am currently talking to myself in a room. But there's the window. Then my hand. Yeah, don't mind the walls. I'm getting them changed soon, don't worry. And then I've got my little bed, which is pad cover. And I've got my Houliston hoodie because I'm so you really. So I might, like, my upload schedule will probably change because I know it's only been like 3. I don't know. It depends when you're watching this. You should be watching this in 2 years' time. Hello to the future, if you are. Hopefully they're jetpacks in your time. Dun dun dun. So I really want to. I just wanted to do the short little video. So my upload schedule, I'm just gonna make that like not even an upload schedule. I'll probably just do random videos every like, cause I'm not. It'll just be when I can. Don't like expect me to have like a video every day. If there is a video every day, then good. If there isn't, don't worry. If there's like a video every say, maybe every like 2-3 days, like part, that'll be fine because I'm not a lot of people like my videos. So give me